In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your business email to Gmail, a handy skill that enhances productivity by allowing you to manage all your emails from one place. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail's website. Log in with your personal Gmail account as usual. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner. You'll see a gear icon, which represents your settings. Click on this icon and select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the full settings menu. In the settings menu, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the one labeled Accounts and Import. This section is where the magic happens for adding and managing multiple email accounts. Now, look for the section titled Check Mail from Other Accounts. Here you'll find an option to Add a Mail Account. Go ahead and click on that. A new window will appear, prompting you to enter the email address of the business email you want to add. Once you've filled this in with your business email address, proceed by clicking the Next button. Next, Gmail will ask how you want to import your email. You have two options: import emails from my other account, Poppy3, or link accounts with Gmailify. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you decide to import emails, you'll be required to input additional information such as your username, password, and POP server. This information is typically provided by your email service provider and is crucial in setting up the link correctly. Double-check these details to avoid any setup hiccups. Don't forget to click on Add Account once you're done. For those who select the Gmailify option, the process is much simpler and allows you to enjoy more Gmail features. Simply follow the prompts provided by Gmail to link your accounts. Once you've finished linking or importing, you'll receive a confirmation that the process is complete. Essentially, your business email is now linked to your Gmail account, and you can start receiving emails directly in your Gmail inbox. As you can see, setting up a business email on Gmail isn't much of a hassle once you know where to click and what information to provide. This setup makes it easier to keep track of all your communications in one place, enhancing your organizational skills and ensuring you never miss out on any important emails. Enjoy the added convenience and flexibility of managing all your emails through one platform. If you have any other questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to refer back to this guide or reach out for additional support. Happy emailing!